KCE Erosion Solutions specializes in comprehensive environmental compliance, stormwater management, and erosion control solutions for construction, industrial, and government entities.
By providing all services you need in-house, we ensure your project remains compliant, on schedule, on budget, from start to finish. Our service extends from stormwater pollution prevention planning, NPDES inspections, to completion with construction site maintenance using best management practices.
Operated since 2001, KCE has worked for almost every major construction and land developer in North Florida. Throughout your entire project, your dedicated supervisor works directly with your site foreman to meet scheduling needs, execute site repairs, and provide emergency response. A few of the products and services that we provide are silt fence, soil stabilization, water remediation, and grassing grown from our sod farm.
Our transport division can even assist with material and equipment transport to and from your job site. You can leave all the details to us. We have you covered.
Let's work together to ensure your project is a success. Call us for a fast and easy quote.